Loretta Lizzio is a Gold Coast-based artist and illustrator whose work adorns walls and galleries throughout Australia and beyond. Her work explores romanticism, nature, and evokes a strong sense of nostalgia. This is the result of carefully layered mixed mediums including oil paint, acrylic, resin, and gold leaf. Forgotten fairy tales, spectacles of cinema, fleeting glances, and dog-eared National Geographics are Lizzio's inspiration to make art and tell her stories. The inspiration behind this artwork, created for the Big Picture Fest in 2018, was simply reconnecting with nature. Lizzio believes that immersing yourself in nature regularly has a great impact on human flourishing, our social, psychological, and emotional life. Being in nature, living near nature, or even viewing nature in paintings and videos can have a positive impact on our brains, bodies, feelings, thought processes, and social interactions, Lizzio said about her work. I wanted to bring a little piece of this to the back streets of Frankston.